Which of the video enhancer is better for you to use, Topaz or Hitpaw? Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you which video enhancer is better for you to use. Talking about Hitpaw video enhancer, you can just go on the Google Chrome, and on the top search bar you can simply search for hitpaw.com, Hitpaw video enhancer, and then it will take you to an interface like this. So you can see that when you buy this Hitpaw video enhancer, you will be provided the following features right here. So after buying it, you can use many things right here. You can video repair it, you can also upscale the video qualities, you can also animate something and create an animation model, you can also unblur and sharpen the face or any photos that you want to. It will also colorize the model, it will also video repair model or photos also it will repair there. So you can simply buy it by going on this website. Make sure you have signed in and go on the Google card and then get this video enhancer. Topaz video enhancer, just go on the Google Play Store right here. On the top search bar you can simply search for Topaz video enhancer. When you tap on this, you will see many options right here. So just tap on any option. So it is also very good video enhancer option for you. It will provide you the same thing right here, but this is an application that should be installed on your phone and you can use it. So decide which one is good by using it. And now let's leave the video here. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. Also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video.